And we're gonna go ahead and see. Still track me? It did track me. Wow, it's still tracking me in the water while I'm swimming. Still tracking. He did lost me here. And the cool thing about it is you can always go back and fix yourself with it, and then you can just, let's see one more time. It's really hard to see underwater, but it's still tracking me. Let me go back again one more time in underwater. Okay, it does, see? So it does. So it lost, see, but it come back on again. So let me go back here. It's still tracking me. They can track you. So I'm swimming, you got my head. See, that's the thing about this. See, if you have a GoPro, you're stuck in one area and then you cannot, you gotta fix it. But see, over here, you can swim around and the Osmo Pocket still track you. So you can use it as a cameraman. And a lot of people don't get that. See, I'm gonna go back underwater. Still track me. So even though the Wi-Fi shut off, but the active track still works. See, look. It shut off, and then active track is working again. Not really, hold on. It did earlier. Let me go back, let me fix it again. Whew. All right, let me do one more time. So it lost me. It captured me again. Whew. It's pretty cool. Like I said, it's awesome. You know, you can bring it to the swimming pool. You guys can play around with it. And it still tracked me. I'm over here already. Yeah, so it lost me. But you can fix yourself with it. And still able to track. See guys, I have a waterproof kind of phone. I was gonna use the iPhone XS, but I'd rather just use SE, so it still can do the job. So that's a good thing. Okay, I'm gonna go one more time underwater. Let me go ahead and see. So if you go underwater, yeah, shut off, but it's still tracking me. One more time. I'm moving the water so much. All right. Yeah, I overpanned the gimbal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and post this up again. You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this up here, and then I'm gonna, there you go. Okay, so it's tracking me again. I'm gonna go. So it lost me about right here. I mean, to be honest with you, I got so many interference here, but it still tracks you. It's supposed to track you down. Yeah, so it got too much interference. One more time. Still track me. So you can make your own flotation like that, and it can actually, you know, you can have a rope and it can actually follow you down. But like I said, you know, I just make it simple, and you can see the Osmo is following me. He lost me again right here. And he lost me. So I'm gonna go ahead and track. Let me see if you can move around using the lost target again. We shut off, but as soon as you go back, it's on again. That's awesome. So, alright, that's about it. Let's go ahead and put it back to 5 gigahertz. And then I'm back to 5 gigahertz, and you press OK. Okay. Alright, and let's go back again. Alright, now it's tracking me. See, that's a good thing. You can choose different Wi-Fi, but you can see here the 5 point it's a little bit, it can still track you. The Wi-Fi can still track you far away a little bit, but like I said, I got lots of interference here. But at least it has that option that you can change. I think the GoPro only got the 2.4 gigahertz, so that's the only drawback about it. But see, the good thing about the Osmo Pocket, you can still able to go 5.8 all the way to 2.4. You can switch, and you probably use a repeater. If you see my other video, I'm probably gonna do that, and Wi-Fi repeater, and then you can extend the Wi-Fi on this guy. And it shut off, it's about right here. It shuts off about right here. So the Wi-Fi, but the tracking, it still can track you on the water, so you can shove your head, but it still gets you, just like the DJI drone. And that's the cool thing about it. But anyway, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.